Hello viewers, my name is Rush and welcome to my very first video on Days in my YouTube channel Real Youths, and today we'll be doing a little exploring, and currently we're on the beautiful hill of Queens Hill, and this is our dragging experience and maybe a little challenge later on in the video. My girlfriend says she can eat more mango than me, so let's see how that goes. A lot of excitement and more to come, so let's get right into it. Yes, it good. Going up the hill, but the sun is out. The time was very bleaky. It came out, the sun actually come out back, and it is burning. It's not too hot, it's just a little bit warm. So we're just on the hill right now. I'm actually using the phone camera to video this. Jar. Yeah, what did you do that? Jar. She did. Go out to the road. Jar. Go ahead. Sorry about the bar stuff. Alright, so the camera battery died on us and we had to went home and went out to get some lunch at Burger King, and these are some pictures at Burger King that we took having lunch. So we're gonna get right over into the mango eating challenge, so let's go.
It's called Mango Challenge. Who can eat the most mangoes?
Yes. So you are?
Nicole.
Yeah, my beautiful girlfriend. Beautiful, right? Alright, so what the food today? She always say, oh, she bother them about fruits are mighty. You see me?
And fruit is not mine. But when it come on to East Indian mango, well, I think I can beat him on that one.
Well, let's see about that today.
Oh, I think these only grow in Jamaica, if I don't lie. Or
Well, not sure about that. No research was done, so I'm not certain either. So these are the lovely East Indians.
look at this, guys.
Mangoes that everyone
Big,
loves the most.
mellow, smelling lovely. Smell that, guys. So nice. So I'm going to take a big bite in this and show you how juicy and yellow it's look on the inside. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Oh my god. Guys, oh my god, you will want to taste this. This is really good. Sweet. Give this a thumbs up.
Whoa. Got that. Juicy, bro. Remember, say you have to eat tray today. You see it. No cheating.
Guys, I think I'm full. This one is so big. Blackie mango. Everybody know this mango in Jamaica. Blackie. Sweet, this mango.
One that I don't know.
A few moments later.
This harder than me think. Nah, like. Who no want go? Them full, them quick. So I can't go no more. Right now. I'm tired of it. Excuse me.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.
Whew. Whoa.
Yes, guys.
Feel release. That was really good. Wow. So at the end of the day, it was a good challenge and I beat her. She full of more. I beat her.
Guys, this is the end of the mango. I only eat 4 and he eat 5. So please remember to subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment. And please remember to ring that notification bell. Peace, I'm out.